So you all may be aware by now that I am not good with the presentation. However, I really want to get this out the way as a checklist. Um, I will talk on the mic to the computer. The computer will send it to the robot head, and the robot head will answer back, move its mouth. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, just a minute. Right, script. Hello, how are you? This might take a while, like a couple minutes, couple 3 minutes. There's the AI receiving what I just recorded. Okay, any minute now. Okay. I'm currently working. Let's see.
Hello, how are you? I am currently working on a research paper about the impact of globalization on education. I need to find an example of a country that has successfully implemented globalization in their education system. Do you have any suggestions? Yes, Singapore is a good example of that.
And that's it for now. Yeah. The code. The code is not good. The presentation's not. Yeah, but really, I wanted to get this out the way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo that head. Well, the skull. I would like to. Yeah, I'm gonna make some comments after I pause this video. All right, this is my fifth take. I forgot to turn on the mic. Anyways, I am back from Ubuntu Linux onto Windows. I dual boot. You might be wondering why I didn't use WSL, and that is because, well, in order to use the GPU in the WSL, I would have to do a GPU pass through. I think that is my understanding of it. Yeah, so I dual boot. I think it's more convenient to dual boot in this case. The code is in Bash, so it has to be Linux. The code was pretty hacky, but it got the job done, and it wasn't entirely GPU was accelerated, so it was kind of slow. Yeah, it needs some work. So yeah, in that regard, I could use a little bit of help. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over two things. The GitHub. If you would like to contribute to the code or the 3D models, I would appreciate it if you could post your GitHub username on the comment section below, and I could invite you. Okay, and then you can do whatever and modify the code and add to the code or remove the code. And then we could collaborate. I've been hoping that this could be a collaborative kind of thing, but hasn't turned out that way. But there's still hope. And also, well, I've been trying to put this off, but really, if I could get a little bit financial support, that show to those around me that you know that show to those around me that there are people that support me financially in this endeavor, and I could prioritize this a little bit more, put a little bit more effort. I'm gonna do this regardless, but really, I would appreciate a little bit of financial support. And the bash code that I just did, well, I put it in this tire right here, the lowest tire, because it's pretty hacky. It got the job done, but it's not that great. And well, there's also 3D models out there of what has been done so far, such as the head and etc. But any future 3D models or code, I'd put it here in this highlighted tire. And also, I would add exclusive content and more on the highest tire. I'm not quite sure what that would be, but we got time. Anyways, yeah, you know, with a little bit of support, maybe this thing could turn out to be something proper. You know, uh, uh, we could have our own robot waifu, and yeah, just please, support me any way you can. Show your support. I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate the comments, but yeah, if I could get a little bit extra, like help with the code or some monetary support. Yeah, and that's it for now. Thank you.